Into Kwaku Annan de ono de onya hu hwe o. Kwaku Annan de onya hu hwe. Obesre anso wadi anso wafias atiasefo ataate we so.
Ya pamu nyina bibi besa asibiem.
Yes, me say Kwaku Annan obesre se Kwaku Annan ansre ndi ankwa round ambege a na ye mu bi no na nyame ni ye ndi ni yie na ye mu bi no oso ne asase ene ye ndi ni yie na ye mu bi no ye nsi asori dan ema Jesus Christ ye na ye mu bi no souls ne ye wuni ma nyame no na enye nyame ne ye wuni ama no but say Jesus there na nasam ye na kura pa dia Kwaku Annan onye hu hwe Bible say obetua ye kasene ye njuma etie. But over here, the last 2 years or before the election, they made it a point, say, to denigrate the church. They made it a point, and they selected some few men of God. They saw, say, young commissioner, can see as the Lord. No, it was not to the benefit of the system of the day. And they deliberately made sure so be good. I was many with Bedukobi, Ubinim, but I was the main person. They used almost more than 3 months to say things about me and my family, my workers are not back who knew another womb. But my so for my D for an idea. I do the beer, Sebia Mecassa, and I'm here to my to honor my if I was the main targeter. Almost targeting me, my sorry, and call for a woman home. And after Kennedy in area, for a consistent and continuous time, that young man, Kwaku Annan, he attacked me, attacked my reputation, and the intention was, yama sorry, ego. And I say, be an am de drew akamano, and I say, be an my Johnny fee, oh my God, but Yamiadom. Bible said Nyame said Matthew chapter 16 verse 8 or see Messi masafo but some other pon entimi ntwim faso Nyame adumaso ni gina honomo na ne omo gina ye no ambassa but me bo no ho mpaye no Nyame ka kire me say ye be pam na fi na tu eniguase mu na se obi edifo a de na kire se oye difo ne o ka no ebe ma na kire se oye difo enti me de enye me de say asi but o kan Galatians chapter 6 verse 7 or sin na nipa begu no obecha enti Kwaku Annan de ono de onya hu hwe o Kwaku Annan de onya hu hwe obesre anso wadi anso wafias atiasefo ataate we so
ya pamu nyina bibi besa asibiem. Yes,
me say Kwaku Annan obesre se Kwaku Annan ansre ndi ankwa round ambege a na ye mu bi no na nyame ni ye ndi ni yie na ye mu bi no oso ne asase ene ye ndi ni yie na ye mu bi no ye nsi asori dan ema Jesus Christ ye na ye mu bi no souls ne ye wuni ma nyame no na enye nyame ne ye wuni ama no but say Jesus there na nasam ye na kura pa dia Kwaku Annan onye hu hwe Bible say obetua ye kasene ye njuma etie nti wo ye young man na obe yusu obi platform anya okra platform e denigrate to fellow young men. Last 2 weeks, I can say, suffer back home attacking. As I speak with you, suffer at the hospital. Your friend said, Kofodia. And you're moving your sorry bubom pay to your bills. And come over to Ghana 90 asempa. Not suffer no woo. The attention and the target was say, Ombe Yama, a beer, you move the draw, ebe kayano. But Nyamiadum over the past 2 years, ye jina hono obi no masori jina hono bedu be asori jina Nyamiadum so kakra nyame pesa de mame no or de amame but nyame ka kire sa brante ne say onya hu hwe because obi bi ode ne nsa be ka nyame asafo anase nyame difo no e kire e no kure de a Yesu be woman according to Matthew chapter 27 Matthew chapter 28 there Bible says except fata say nyanipa be go no betwa
Hello, I'm Adelaide Apia-Banafo, and I'm with the Tuition Department of Dreams Consult, which is an educational migrational company. We provide tuition for both OET and IELTS. OET being an English proficiency test tailored for just health workers. And then the IELTS is the standardized English proficiency test that most of us are aware of. We provide classes for both the general training and academic of the IELTS. We also explain the differences between UKVI and standard. We have 2 offices, one in Kumasi, Edum, and then another in Accra, Achimota. If for any reason a student or a prospective student cannot make it to our face-to-face class, we also provide online tuition classes. For any further inquiries, please contact us on 0246 000 170.
Oh, and your case, a Bible na ejuma. Bible so bet me be so on Bible. Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. So what me sorry tears of paying Hayward Dagwood Mills. Now abraba papa na bo o de so for Hayward like crowd e fa abraba member at 38 years by the mercies of God. O kwekwa na umbo bi de o. So say wunya manyame. Ya so TV, maso miyami TV, ya sweat it since 14 years, 15 years, ya di erade one dance here. Ejuma so for binim aye. A softphone paying for kukudam aye, which me use platform on the odie can ya but ya what cannot and no my ya because some of you call some of us behind bars, behind the curtain say, see a mousika, ubegu and massy. When ya mousika. Oh, of course. I mean, that guy is a bribe taker. He's not. Me a video on Kwaku Anaya. Me no mean say I don't destroy people. Me Bible said you say me rather be say no. Until I will not even go there. But then this should be a lesson to hear Ghana for, and this should be a lesson to Yenina Yeti and say, Obi anyone more better than in such Jerusalem. Jerusalem, and I said, whom Jerusalem and Sorintiana. And those who fight the church throughout history, nobody has ever fought the church and won. Nobody, and it's absolutely nobody. Obibi or better than sa actually nyamia kuaso. Erade anybody, emere anybody. Into ono die onya ho here.
Na me on some mienu bi o ha me pese me pagea bakaka.
Right.
First one ni ye. We be kan say wagu ho fia ade na onfa ne mfa mra kwan so.
Emre ne yo mu no. Enye ma me say me de no be court. But masama na ma judge na ehene. Masama na ma Jesus. Ma come ko to dwenim abompaye na da bia me koso abompaye. Said let the heavens above, the God in the heavens. Oh boy here no. On diminin in temasem. Boni abrante no eyusu sa platform edi fo aye wo ma we mu. Edi asofo aye wo ma we mu no. Erade enka ya asem ma ye ni etu ye ni ejan ye ni aban ye ni obi an ye wo no any Jesus. Ye one on any Jesus. And obi the great the most explosive weapon. There's no explosive weapon than the Bible or the words in the Bible. Intermediate memfo bi an kokot. Me sofo obi ni me sofo pambo ya sofo asofo na branche na guo mu nyina efi no people at a point didn't want to even come to church because of nia ubedi and all the things you are saying. And yes, how can you sometimes go say if we were the worst sinners, unbelievers, some of the things they say about us, it is untenable and it's not doable. We can't even do it. We are family men. My worry, abusia. Me mami atete me yekuya pimni. Ye mubi ye nya basa sa. But because when your platform and a platform no kwanya audio, and you'll be platform. Inti so only akona mouse kadia me yengu nenimase. The typical Ghanaian life pull him down because Prophet Nigel Gaise assuring air koso because no when you be as but emre yendin kaso. Emre yen da na me ha Jazira Gaddafi ewu no pachel and I make Kwabena Gaise me to me ho for say emre yendin kaso.
Yeah.
Emre yendin Ike emre yendin kaso.
No correct.
Emre yendin kaso. It me fanen kokot. But masama na ma Jesus.
Onyadofo deɛ ne wo haw deɛ ne wo adwendwen deɛ ne wo kɔdan na ɛdan na wasie wie na wo penkyɛnse papa de abɔso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enu ntiama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ɛne enne me de asempa ɛnam ne true things ebie wo mo ensɛm de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema ɛno nti fa wo mo number wo screen no ɛso na ɛne wo mo endi ɛyɛ kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so ani nti no adansifo womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda
eni ye di for ye wani nti ye nim besi nti like I said no eno ani bi ampanfo ne nyame asem so onum kokon a erade ntimi enku bi ma se anka me fake anka masori agu anka obi ni me fake there can be character discrepancies. But it doesn't make somebody a fake. Fi enkola se ne ye di Yesu ho dance ye Ike. Obi bia me ne kwa busko. Obi bia me ne kwa feeding. Obi bia me ne kwa Lego Accra Polytech be dia dance se Nigel there. Esu ni na sorry don friend di agro. But wutimi nya platform. And am so be boa you help a young man that is doing well. Obe gu n'anim ase, obe kan sama enim. I have tape on that gentleman. I want me archive man. Se me see me here about ebi obe na hobone but me say nipa
any esrew
me say nipa would you so sa platform exploit asofo would you so sa platform blackmailing crofo inti oni ebusiafo inti oni yere inti payin ni fie and can't say nobody says they don't do expose obey your expose you are a journalist of a higher level. The basic principle in journalism tells you that verify the facts. Now, be a balanced person.
Maminko layman bebusa say.
Yep.
Moya sorry mpanyufo mona onyame yusumu ede boye. Mo na moka boniface ho asebe layman o say adena oye sofo na mfa nche.
Oh, me dey ache ba me remfie. Because Bible say na Apostle Paul can say Alexander the Coppersmith we di me bone pa Ewurade entua ne ka senia ninjuma say enti me dey ache o but Alexander the Coppersmith in my ministry. In the history of my ministry, in the history of prophetism, and the history of the church in Ghana, that young infamous young man's name cannot be blotted off, and the Lord will compensate him. The Bible ne ye yusua nyame betua ne ka senya ninjuma etie. You one so upon a year ayepo one so upon olusu confidence we ma me kasa se nyame di for 14 years me so Bible mu say nyame betua ne ka senya ninjuma tie.
Would there be a day over sorry na sa na ma we nyina onkai biem?
I don't think so. I did history at Legon. I don't forget easily. And what the gentleman, you see, let me tell you something, Ike. And normal when me Ike is small, I will miss TV studio. Maybe Ghanaian didn't know, and maybe Canadian point honorable. No, Nimya brands and then the platform AU. Yes, and you see. Minimum normal bebre, but a mechanics at the right time.
Yeah.
He was using that platform even to work against the platform with Papano Obi station. Yes, but Meno Menkasa bebre and the American market, radio station bebre. I did not want to talk because he doesn't pay bills. When you pay bills, you don't destroy another person.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, TV station. Into what now? To see a palm, I can't say some random may high no. You should come and let me hire him.
Well, Prophet, that's why I know Yakaka.
No, I'm telling the truth. Since you're jobless, and then I'm here so with a friend and say, two. There's this man of God, powerful man of God. Or Kumasi or Botu or Difo Botu. Eda, near also for Botu or TV so. Na ye revival globe cinema revival in Crawford nyame force odi for paying we friend say obo to so akwa brochire enya wo ayewe. You just use your platform to denigrate us, to denigrate the kingdom work. I so be nyame adwuma enye easy o.
Yeah.
Say embranche to say ya dinari ase ɛsi ye nyame adwuma mapa abo man abo nyame mba abo the kingdom no abrante no nyame fa ne bɔ ne nkyɛn no but it should be a lesson to all of us obi ene won wɔtene ne nsa kyerɛ nyame adwuma nyame entua ne kasane ne ndwuma teɛ mpɛnfo sɛ ne wo din ne yɛbɔ wambɔ Nigel Gaise din a yɛn kleke enhwɛ
yɛbɔ afia suade ane yɛbɔ din yɛbɔ mesbe dia
yɛbɔ din na yɛbɔ ne wo din ɔmo minimum kra ne wo din ne yɛbɔ wambɔ some of the things that I am media team no credit tell me sometimes I picked a number they told me ne radio ayɛ so no emre bi ba ya yɛbɔ president Kufuor din obi atie sezi Kufuor ado emre bi ba na Mahama nti ne wo din ne ɔte apakan mu ɛna wo adwase a obi ahwɛ no santefo adifo ni na mechi obi a Osofo pay beauty or Pambo. I cannot mention all of them. Asofo no Kumasifo na Ojabanum na I love all of them. Young Kwaku could draw NDS one dance here. Christo Nibia na enamsa and Noma Kukwana ye or losing confidence in the church or losing confidence in the prophetic no. Wait, they say, so those who are not going to church should go back to church. Those who do not believe in the prophet, they should believe in the prophet because God is still speaking. Nyamisa or mine in painful.
Onyado for dear no how a dear no dream dear no kodana a dying and a wasie and a open chance in papa a day apostle and a dying with Simona since Sutra and Nuno and Nuntia Mawana Aquaye BC Basa any and media sempa and natural things a beer one more and some a day a mass microphone in us to Sumikana bra one more akache now one more MMS so how no and no and far and mouth and until for one more number it will screen no as soon as any one more in the Ayakasuan as a woman to my son Nintino adansi for one more atum ne true things ana one more ejuma edan so na wontu sika engu de biara eda